Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can limit login attempts in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on plugins, and when you will be in plugins you want to add a new plugin, and in search plugins you want to write limit login attempts. When you will have it, you're gonna see the limit login attempts. Install now and activate it. Right when you got it, you're gonna go in settings and limit login attempts, and you're gonna select settings here, lockout for allowed entries, 20-minute lockout. You can also edit, and then you get like blacklist of IPs, and this is like really important plugin. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.